Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. I hope you all are good and are enjoying my Mehndi designs video. Today I have came with a new and latest unique Indian Mehndi designs. These all designs are Indians and all these designs are very easy, very unique and very simple. Oh, this design is too much beautiful. I like this design. You can easily apply these designs on your own hands. I hope you are enjoying my video. If you are liking my video, you are liking my Mehndi designs, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Okay friends, thank you so much. Next we will meet soon in my